Welcome back. Today we're going to do Caponata melanzane, which is a Sicilian caponata with eggplant. We're making this dish because when my grandparents were in Sicily, they didn't have money to buy fish, so they had to have tasty appetizers to put on bread. And that's what sustained them. The ingredients: large eggplant, a pepper, coarsely chopped onions, some basil, some oregano, capers, some Sicilian olives, olive oil, garlic, tomatoes, celery. Let's begin. We're going to coarsely chop the celery in maybe 1/4-inch pieces. We're using 6 stalks. Now we're going to cut up the red pepper. What I like to do is slice it into lengths, and then I cut the lengths about the same size as I cut the celery. Next, we're going to cut up the olives. These are from Trapani in Sicily, and that's where one of my grandparents was from. When my grandparents on my mother's side immigrated from the old country, they came on their honeymoon when they were 19. My grandfather was 19, my grandmother was 17. And he always said he had the longest honeymoon because they never went back to Sicily. And in the last 2 episodes, some people called and said I was working much too hard squeezing that damn garlic. So I invested in some high technology. Fill the top of the little trap door. Oh my God, this is so much better than this damn thing.
It's the garlic dicer.
Wait, I'm not getting any money for this, am I?
No.
I want some money out of this. And so now we're gonna cut up the eggplant. The skin is more bitter than the flesh, and it's tougher. It was served to us in the restaurants when my family went to Sicily. We went to Trapani, and we found the birthplace of my dad's family. We even met a third cousin and had breakfast with him and ate cannolis. Oh my God! It was very heartwarming. Okay, we're going to saute the celery, the onions, and the red pepper. This is the Italian flag. Red, white, and green. We're going to add the garlic. Add the eggplant. Oh my goodness. A little more olive oil because the eggplant absorbs it like crazy. All right, this has all been softened. So we're going to take it out of the frying pan. Oh, this is looking good. In the same pan, I'm adding the tomatoes and add my seasoning. A couple of teaspoons of sugar or sweetener to give it a couple of dashes of red pepper, sweet basil, and oregano. We're cooking it down to make it less watery. I drained a lot of the water out, so it doesn't take very long for this to cook. Then you add the vegetables back in. We cook it about a half an hour. And I'm going to turn it way down. We're going to add the olives and the capers and stir it in. So let's go. Oh, it's a mix. The olives and the capers aren't being cooked down. They're going to be more coarse to the bite.
Dad, how much do you love eggplant?
How much do I love eggplant? Funny you should ask. I like it fried, I like it breaded, I like it grilled, I like it with a moigu on it, I like it in baba ganoush, I like it in eggplant lasagna, and my brother, by the way, makes a good eggplant parmesan. Marron, that's good. But most of all, I like it in my caponata. Now the best part we get to taste the caponata. Oh, I don't know if there's enough for everybody. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. And until next time, arrivederci.